Good evening. My name is Anthony Tordella, and I am a student at Robert Morris University, and I'll be comparing Ford and Starbucks. In a look at the value discipline for each company, we start with the mission statements of each. Ford states, "We are here for one purpose, to help build a better world, where every person is free to move and pursue their dreams." This is very similar when looking at Starbucks' mission statement that reads, "Our mission, to inspire and nurture the human spirit, one person, one cup, and one neighborhood at a time." These statements are fairly broad, but hint at the underlying business of each company with these statements as their respective guides. In a look at their primary customers, there is clear separation in their approaches. Ford uses multiple market segmentation to pursue any and all customers who will drive or ride in a vehicle to purchase a Ford. This is shown by the variety of different vehicles they create, such as F-Series pickup trucks, which are the best-selling vehicle for the 39th straight year in a row, the Fusion, the Bronco, and many more vehicles. Starbucks has a more narrowed focus on its primary customers. They are usually urban, affluent, white-collar professionals. The average age of their customers is 42 years old, and they have an average income of $90,000. In creating a relationship and loyalty with customers, Ford came out with Ford Pass. This is a single mobile platform where customers could book maintenance, check fuel levels, and earn rewards, which could be redeemed for complimentary maintenance, parts, service, or even a new vehicle. Ford also invested in a new call center to handle calls about vehicles in a more efficient manner. They also improved the lease experience by making it just a push of the button to renew a lease. Starbucks also has an online mobile app with a rewards program that can be used to purchase more products from the company. This app has millions of users every month. Ford does not currently use big data, but qualitative data to bring its products to market. It has customer immersion events, spends time with customers to understand the needs in their homes, and uses questionnaires and focus groups to understand their customers' needs. Starbucks uses the transactions from their mobile application, as well as their social media and their My Starbucks idea site, to learn what the customers want and how to improve their offerings, stores, and business model. A key event for Ford in their digital transformation is the hiring of Jim Farley as CEO in October 2020. His hiring has kicked off a transformation at Ford with the hiring of Susie Deering, whom was the Chief Marketing Officer at eBay. Susie started earlier this year and will bring her knowledge of data and analytics to the 118-year-old company. A key event for Starbucks in their digital transformation is when they created the mobile app. It was created in 2011 with the investment into Square. It has provided an enormous amount of data at their disposal. Ford only recently made hirings that will push them more into a data-oriented focus. They're very new on their digital journey and would be considered very digitally immature. Starbucks' digital app was created in 2011 and has been out for a decade. The Idea website was available in 2008, and along with other digital investments in social media, Starbucks has shown digital maturity that would allow it to continue to innovate and respond to changes to the business landscape in the future. Ford does not have a known system for using analytics regarding their hiring or promotions. Starbucks, though, has had to reinvent itself during the pandemic, and they fully use their mobile pay and go along with staffing to sustain orders all day long. The analytics of how orders were being put into the app allowed Starbucks to predict staffing levels in their stores. So, some takeaways. We have some do's: invest in data and analytics, and engage customers where they are and listen to their needs. For don'ts, we don't want to believe that changes in how business is done in other industries will not eventually affect your industry. These are my references. Thank you much for your time.